Good morning student. In this section of video we are talking about the first chapter of 12th standard chemistry, that is solid state, and in the last section of video we are talking about numerical, and the last numerical of density. The question is, the element crystal is BCC, is structure having an edge length of 200 picometer and the molecular weight of crystal is 50. Then calculate density of crystal by using the formula of density, that is sigma equal to Z into M upon Na A cube in 10 power minus 30. Putting the Z value is 2 because the crystal is BCC structure, and solving the equation we got the density value is 2.83 gram per cc. If we talking from the other point, that is defect in solid or imperfection in solid, there are three types of defect in crystal system or crystal lattice or solid lattice, that is electronic defect, atomic or point defect, and impurities. In your syllabus they are mainly study the atomic or point defect. What is atomic and point defect? When an atom in a crystal, when a positive or a negative ion are missed or dislocated from the crystal, this type of defect is known as atomic or point defect. There are two types, that is stoichiometric solids defect and non-stoichiometric solid defect. Stoichiometric, what is stoichiometric? Those crystals in which concentration of positive and negative ions or charge are equal are known as stoichiometric solid. In the non-stoichiometrics, in those crystals in which concentration of positive and negative charge are not fixed or unequal are called non-stoichiometric solid. In stoichiometric there are two types of defect, that is Schottky defect and Frankel defect, and in the next section, that is non-stoichiometric solid, there are also two defect, that is metal excess and metal deficiency defect. We are going to first type of defect in stoichiometry, that is Schottky defect, and when equal number of positive and the negative charge are missing or removed from the lattice, then this type of defect developed in a crystal is known as Schottky defect. In this defect, the density of lattice or a crystal get decreased because mass are left out from the crystal, generally found in those solids whose coordination number is greater, that is coordination number 6 and 8 type of crystal find this type of defect. Lattice energy and stability get decreased, and is most common type of defect found in crystal, that is Schottky defect, because it need very less amount of energy. Examples like cesium chloride, NaCl, silver bromide, etc. In this crystal there is A are the positive and B are the negative ions. A when are removed and there is the B is removed from the crystal, so the mass are left out from the crystal and the density of crystal is decreases. We are talking about the next type of defect, that is Frankel defect. Frankel defect, in this defect ion or generally positive ion get located or shifted in interspatial space which is present between ions in a crystal, and this defect is known as Frankel defect. In this diagram we have show that there is some interstitial space between positive and negative ion, and when the ion are dislocated they are kept in this interstitial space, and this type of defect is known as Frankel defect. Density of crystal or lattice remains same because there is no removal of positive or negative ions, and generally found in those solid whose coordination number is low, like the coordination number 4 type. Example: silver bromide, zinc chloride, boric oxide, etc. You have noticed that silver chloride in common in both. That means the silver bromide crystal have both type of defect, that is Schottky defect as well as Frankel defect. And we have moving from the other section, that is non-stoichiometry. Non-stoichiometry there are two types, that is metal excess defect. Metal excess defect, that it shows that the crystal, if positive concentration of ion is greater than negative concentration of ion, then this type of defect is shown out. It can be produced by two methods. First method, that is by removing of an ion or by creating anionic vacancies. And second, that is by adding extra positive ion in a lattice. First we are talking the point by removing of anion or by creating anionic vacancies. Some negative ions are removed from the crystals so that anionic vacancies are created. In these vacancies, electrons are trapped out to make the neutrality of the crystal. So this type of crystal is known as F-centered cell, Fabry-centered cell, which is colored in appearance. So the crystal of sodium chloride and potassium chloride are colored. Next section, by adding extra positive ion in the lattice. Generally it is happen in the crystal of transition metals, example like zinc sulfide and zinc oxide nickel sulfide crystal. In this type of defect, positive ion are added in the crystal in interstitial spaces between the ion. In order to maintain neutrality, 2 electrons are came outside in the crystal. So the concentration of positive ion get increases and the crystal of make it to the neutral. Generally it is found in zinc sulfide, zinc oxide and nickel sulfide crystal, and mainly in transitional metals. The last section, that is metal deficiency defect. When the concentration of negative charge is greater than positive charge, this type of defect is known as metal deficiency defect, and it is also created by two methods. First, by removing of cation, by creating cationic vacancies, or by adding extra anion. First we have talking about by creating cationic vacancies. In this crystal is ferrous oxide. In this crystal there is positive ion, ferrous oxide ion. When removing the positive ion, the oxidation state of next positive ion get increases, and this is in this type of defect. In this type of defect, by removing of a cation to maintain the electronic neutrality, other positive ions increases their oxidation number, and this type of defect is produced in those solid in which metal can show variable oxidation number. That means transitional metal, like example iron oxide, nickel oxide, manganese oxide, cuprous oxide, etc. In the last section of video, by adding extra anion. Practically it is not possible because size of anion is greater than the cation. So the negative ion cannot be fit in the interstitial spaces and crystal lattice get destroyed. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and which is intellectual and educated. Like, subscribe and share it. Thank you.